Hi, I really want you to come and join me for Psychomotor training. I'm offering 5 days from the 21st to the 25th of August in Brisbane at the new PIP Theatre. It's a beautiful venue and we're going to learn this fabulous technique designed by Peso Boyden. He was a dancer. We're going to do 5 days of training in a theatre, and what we're learning is how to meet unmet needs. This will be fabulous for counsellors. It will be great for social workers, really good for psychotherapists, and just incredibly useful to psychologists, but also individuals. It's just really, really beautiful to do your own work and healing too. We'll learn how to do a structure as part of group work. That kind of relational experience is just amazing. It's taken me years to get this in Australia, but we'll also learn how to do it in individual sessions and even on Zoom. It works too. What Peso Boyd discovered is that alongside our sad and hard memories of being unmet, we can place new symbolic memories of having our needs exactly met. And when we have this experience of a need being met, we actually feel this childlike joy. And as a trauma therapist, I found nothing else that has the capacity to return us to this sense of joy in living. So come and join me and do this training.